Let's make this delicious taco soup using the Instant Pot. Welcome back to Dash of Spices. I hope you're going to enjoy this video, and please subscribe to our channel. We are going to use these following ingredients and some spices. Using your Instant Pot, go ahead and set it to saute mode and add some oil. We're going to saute some garlic, minced garlic, and then some red onions, lots of them, and then saute it together, and then add your choice of meat. I'm using ground beef. This is a pound, 85% lean. And then we're going to add this seasoning that I mixed. If you're interested to know what kind of seasoning this is, let me know. And then add the taco seasoning, the ranch seasoning, and this is the better than bouillon. You could also use a cube if you want, but this one is actually better. Go ahead and mix this together. Make sure they're well combined. Once it's bubbling, turn the heat off. And then add all the ingredients from the green chili, diced tomatoes, and some beans. Make sure you wash the beans using a fresh corn here. Then we're going to add a bone broth. This is beef, or you could use chicken broth as well. Just mix this together. Put the lid, make sure it's locked and sealing, and then choose the pressure button and pressure cook this for 50 minutes. After that, go ahead and release the air. You could let this sit for about 10-15 minutes, and this should be good to go. Remove the lid, and I actually add a couple of cheese. Just use a cheddar cheese or Mexican cheese. And then this is ready to serve. Let me show you how you serve this. Just grab a bowl and then add your garnish. I garnish this with sour cream, green onions, some cheese. You could add cilantro, but we like the parsley better. And then some of the tortilla chips. And that's it. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. This soup is perfect for cold weather. We'll see you next time. Thank you. Ciao.